This quiz has 3 rounds, 5 questions in each round. Share your score in the comments after each one. What is the chemical symbol of water? HO, H2O, H2O2, OH. The answer, H2O. Water is composed of 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen atom. What is the chemical formula for table salt? KCl, NaCl, HCl, NaOH. The answer, NaCl. Table salt is sodium chloride. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury, zinc, lead, iron. The answer, mercury. Mercury is the only metal that is naturally liquid at room temperature. Which gas is used to fuel party balloons because it's safe and light? Hydrogen, oxygen, helium, carbon dioxide. The answer, helium. Helium is lighter than air and non-flammable, making it balloon friendly. Which element is the most abundant in Earth's crust? Iron, carbon, oxygen, silicon. The answer, oxygen. Oxygen makes up nearly half of the Earth's crust by weight. If you got at least 3 answers right, you might be an element of surprise. Now drop a comment and subscribe. What is the pH of a neutral solution? 0, 7, 14, or 1? The answer, 7. A pH of 7 is neutral, neither acidic nor basic. Which acid is found in lemon juice? Citric acid, acetic acid, sulfuric acid, or hydrochloric acid? The answer, citric acid. Citric acid gives lemon their sour taste. Which of the following is a chemical change? Ice melting, salt dissolving, water boiling, iron rusting. The answer, iron rusting. Rusting forms a new substance, iron oxide. What happens in a chemical reaction? Atoms vanish, only heat is produced. New substances form, only physical changes occur. The answer, new substances form. Chemical reactions rearrange atoms into new compounds. Which element is required for iron to rust? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. The answer, oxygen. Oxygen reacts with iron and water to create rust. If this round reactivated your memory, drop a comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel and keeps the quizzes coming. Now, let's wrap this up. What is the smallest unit of matter? Atom, molecule, cell, proton. The answer, atom. Atoms are fundamental building blocks of all matter. Which part of an atom has a negative charge? Proton, neutron, nucleus, or electron? The answer, electrons. Electrons orbit the nucleus and carry a negative charge. What is a substance made of 2 or more elements chemically combined? Mixture, solution, compound, or suspension? The answer is compound. A compound forms when elements bound chemically together, like 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen in water. Which of the following is not a state of matter? Solid, liquid, gas, foam. The answer is foam. Foam is a mixture, not a fundamental state of matter. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. The answer is carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide to produce food and release oxygen. You made it to the end. You officially came curious. If you learned something new, drop a comment, share this with a fellow science fan, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next quiz.